Yeah, let's start with Scrum Project Management. To visualize it, meron siyang, technically it's called product backlog. It's actually synonymous to project scope. Pag na-identify na yon, which is usually yun yung nasa kontrata eh, gagawa ka ng sprint planning. Pag-plan kayo, ang tawag doon is sprint. Based on this, kailangan gawin from A to Z, ano yung ipaprioritize natin for this sprint. A sprint can be minimum of 1 week, maximum of 3 weeks na sprint. So sa planning, again, pipili kayo dito, ano yung gagawin nyo for the sprint, ano yung sprint goal. And now, mag-i-start na yung sprint. So ginagawa na niya yung mga assignments niyan, then may tinatawag na daily scrum. May iba ang tawag doon, daily huddle, daily check-ins, stand-up meeting. At the end of the sprint, may tinatawag na sprint review. Actually, usually presentation yun. Ito yung natapos ko, 1, 2, 3, ng bawat team member. Now, after the review, may tinatawag na sprint retrospective. Retrospective is meaning, ano ba yung mga nangyaring magaganda during the first 2 weeks na sprint? Ano ba yung mga maling ginawa natin? And how can we make sure na magiging okay tayo sa susunod na sprint? And then after that would be another sprint planning.